Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link, and if you are already a subscriber and you're watching a video again, thank you for that. I'm going to do a little B&M haul, but it's also going to have a few things that I got from Home Bargain, so it's going to be a mix. I'll start off with the things I got from B&M, and then I'll show you what I got from Home Bargains and what I intend to do with these products. You have some cleaning products, some Christmas stuff, some food, all kinds of things. So let's get a cup of coffee and get ready to watch stuff. Okay, so I have two bags. Let me start with two seasonal Christmas cleaning products. So the first one is a room and fabric freshener from Fabuloso, and the scent is Eternal, and I don't know what that smells like. I hope it doesn't smell terrible, but let's see. Yeah, it smells nice. So a bit floral, like a cherry. That's the scent I'm getting. Cherry and flowers. So that's one thing I got. I don't know if this is actually a Christmas one or something else. Anyway, I got this one. And then I also bought a spiced apple air mist from Paperie, just to, you know, put around the house and spray it and then make it all smell nice. I got some tags for presents because last year I was using my partner's and I don't know if he has any more. So I just bought some, and you get for £1 100 adhesive gift tags. So I got these, and you can see they're the same patterns but different. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different patterns, and you just write to from. I just stick these on the presents and then I know what's going where. I bought for my niece, I'm going to send a little, so some of these things are for me to send to my sister and my niece in Greece. So I got her a Christmas, what is this called? Letter to Santa bumper pack. This is £1. You get a little door tag, you get a pencil, you get letters, you get all sorts. So I thought that would be nice, and she can send her letters to Santa. This I bought because of the tin. I was decorating my house the other day and I really liked the tin that I used from Primark. So I saw this tin and I got this. This is a Candy Shop traditional mint boiled sweets. I have no idea what mint boiled sweets are. Hang on, I'm going to pause and ask my partner. So I thought this would look really, really pretty in the kitchen, and I'm going to be doing a brunch, so I'm going to have a little sweet corner, and that would look really nice. Look at the patterns around it, and then you can use this for biscuits and stuff the year after. So even if, you know, when you finish eating all the sweets, you can use it after. So that's good. Then I bought a gold Christmas mug, December stars, and sparkly and bright. So this is a mug. I'm going to start using it. It has like a kind of marble effect. And yeah, so this is going to go for Christmas. I don't have any Christmas mugs. I only have 2. I need more. So, yep, let's move on to food stuff. Now, let's move on to food. I just repurchased my Biscoff extra large biscuits. They have glitter because I'm going to show you something that has glitter. So, yeah, I really like these biscuits. Great for, you know, just having to dunk in your coffee and stuff like that. So, I got those. I bought a pack of butter-kissed deliciously sweet and salty popcorn. I like these because they're a mixture, and you know, when you're watching TV or something like that, they don't have a lot of calories, which is great because you can eat other junk food then. So yeah, I bought some orange fingers to send to Greece. We really like these. And then I also bought some After 8 with mint. I really like these, and I haven't had these for a long time, so I thought maybe get this for Christmas time and start eating it. I bought Lotus Biscoff and Go as like a pudding, one for me, one for the little one. So yeah, that's great. And I bought a chocolate brownie baking kit that comes with its skillet. I've never tried these. I always see them and I thought, okay, I just want to try and see what these are like and make it. So that's what I am going to do. You get everything in here. You get the skillet, you get marshmallows, I think. I don't know what they are. You get Kinder chocolates. So that's something we're going to be using to bake. And finally, from B&M, I got because I wanted one of these. What are these called? Are these garlands? Oh, there's going to be glitter everywhere. So it's got some, yeah, so I'm going to use this as decoration around my house. And I really like, it's rose gold. I'm going to put it on like this wooden desk I have just to decorate it a bit. So not too long. And this was, yeah, so that's what I'm going to get. And now I have glitter. That's what I'm going to use to decorate my house. And I have glitter all over me. Now, let's move on to Home Bargains. Okay, so now let's move on to the few things I got from Home Bargains. So first of all, if you are not Greek and you haven't tried these Caprice Papadopoulou, you really need to. They are delicious. They are yummy. I'm not allowed to have these at reach, so we put them up in the cupboard and then I say, can I have some? Because if I just sit, I'll just eat them all. They're really nice. They have, what do they say? So they are delicious wafer rolls with hazelnut and cocoa cream. They are delicious. Really nice. Then, and you know, gotta support local products since I'm Greek. Then I bought to send to Greece milk chocolate spoons for my niece. So you just add milk and she can dunk it and have her 1, 2, 3, her nice little chocolate spoon. I bought some Christmas napkins. Merry Christmas. And I got my niece a little stocking that says E on it because her name is Elpida, which means hope. So yeah, I got that. And for my kitchen, I bought a little, what's it called? What are these called? A gingerbread man spatula and a gingerbread man, what are these called? Metal mold thingy. So yeah, that is everything I got. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it supports my channel and it just makes the video more like people can see it. And if you want to subscribe, that would be great. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.